In case you're having trouble accessing FlipGrid, I want to show you in this video what you should be doing. So I'm going to go to the assignment. I could either go to where it's posted on the stream, clicking on here for the FlipGrid, or I can go to the classwork tab, and under the tools section, I'm going to see where it says FlipGrid practice. And I can view assignment. My view looks a little bit different because I'm your teacher, but it's basically the same information. You'll want to click on where it says FlipGrid. Again, you're sending a short video, 30 seconds or less, saying hi and telling me something interesting about yourself. First thing is to open the link. Second thing, pick the option to sign in using Google and then use your district login information. Then we're just going to follow the instructions. So I'm going to click on the link and I'm going to log in using Google. I'm going to pick myself, my Westside email. Make sure for you, you pick your Westside email. And it's going to launch me into here. It might ask for your password prior to that. Just enter in your Hillview email password. When you open this up and scroll down, you can see on here that I'm asking you to say hi and that you're going to share a fun fact about yourself. There's already 18 responses in period 3. In order to do it, you're going to click the plus sign. These are the responses from your classmates. We need one from you. So you're going to click the plus sign. And then it's going to walk you through how to do the video. Just follow the instructions.